If your product has an existing brand on it, aka you buy it from China and it's got a brand on it, and if it's already got a UPC barcode, then someone already owns the product, and you should see if Amazon sells it first by putting the UPC barcode into Amazon, okay? So go to Amazon, put in the barcode, and see if anybody sells it. That's what you should do first. Because if somebody sells it, then you cannot put it onto Amazon as a private label product because somebody's already selling it. Therefore, you're going to go and sell somebody else's product, all right? So you've got to do that first. Given that the product is not on Amazon yet, then regardless of what brand it's got on it, regardless of the UPC code, you then start a new product on Amazon. That's how Amazon works. So that would be the answer to part one of your question. Part two of the question, which you didn't answer, was didn't ask. As soon as FBA launches, you must private label your own product. In that particular situation, you must then private label your own product. I sell products which are blank products, just blanks from the factory, as a way of testing marketplaces. And then I private label them afterwards, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. But as soon as you want to go into FBA and you want to start selling volume, you have to private label it. It's very, very important.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.